I get paid real money for each and every email I open, which was sent to me by a unique website. You think I'm joking? Well, check it out. I'll open this email and click on this link. And a few seconds later, I got the money straight to my wallet. So now I'll show you step by step how to earn as well. So first off, head over to this website, volutic.com. As you can see here in their homepage it says, earn money by reading emails. This website will pay you just to open and read emails, and all of that for no cost or anything. And for each email, you get from 10 cents to 20 cents. So for 10 emails, you can easily earn up to $2. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see here it says, earn money by reading email, wherever you are. So with Volutic, you can earn money by opening and reading emails wherever you are, from your PC, tablet or smartphone, the choice is yours. This is a 100% free and worldwide available method. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific contents for your region in my future videos. Now all you have to do is create your account on this website. You can do it by simply clicking on this register button right here. You will then be redirected to this page where you need to fill out this form. Here you need to enter your username, your email address and your password. For the referrer, you can leave it blank, but it will be best if you have a friend or anyone you know who is using this website so you can become their referral. In that way, you will help them earn additional cash from you. The best part is you can also do the same with other people after you sign up. In continuation, just tick these first two boxes after reading their terms of service and privacy notice. Just make sure to leave this last box unchecked because you probably don't want to receive spam emails from this website every day. After that, just click on this register button. You will then receive an activation email. All you have to do is just open that email and click on the activation link. Immediately after doing so, you'll get an email with instructions about how you can add this email address to your contact list. You have to do this in order to get more emails from this site and to earn more money. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. First off, click on these three dots and then select filter messages like this and just click on create filter. And here we need to select star it, never send it to spam, categorize as primary and also apply filter to matching conversations and then click on create filter. After that, click on contacts right here, select this email address and then click on add to contacts. And that is it. Now you'll start getting emails from this site every single day. Each of these emails contains different promotional links, and your job is just to click on these links and get paid for it. You can earn money wherever you are, since you can open these emails from your phone or from your laptop. I just got an email from Volutic. Now all we have to do is open it, click on the link, and that will then open a site. We need to stay here for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we got 15 cents. Let's just wait a little longer for more mails to come. Look, after 10 minutes I have already received more than 20 emails from Volutic. Let me open each one, click on the links and see how much I earn. And so, I opened all the emails. There were about 20 emails, and as a result, 20 clicks, and I earned $3.57. It took me 10 minutes, it's just unbelievable. Earnings on this site will be different for each of you because they send different number of emails every day. Also the payment for each link you click will be different because it depends on what site is advertised as well as the country you're from. Residents of more developed countries always get paid more than others. Now, I'm gonna check this site and see how much we can earn here in just a day. So I'll try to open each email I will receive in the next 24 hours. Let us set the time first. It is now the 28th of November, 10 a.m. I'll have to work, so boop the like button if you've liked this video thus far, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Let's get started. So it's been 24 hours, today is November 29, 11 a.m. And before I show the results, I'll give you some time to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. So for the past 24 hours, I opened a lot of emails and made $22.81. Moreover, I just spent 2 hours of my entire day in order to earn this because I'm also doing other stuff. So whenever an email came, it took me just a few seconds to open it and click on the link. It's like a semi-passive way of earning, it's pretty cool. Now, let's withdraw the money. You can withdraw the money through Payeer or FaucetPay, which by the way, is a cryptocurrency wallet. The minimum withdrawal amount is only 10 cents. You can earn it here in just a few minutes after registration. So all we have to do now is click on the withdraw button. And in the withdrawal history, you can see that our request has been successfully paid. That's how you earn money through this unique website just by opening emails. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $2 every 30 seconds by just watching videos.